Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another non-phone work from home job lead. This one is a little bit different. It is a proofreader job lead rather than a data entry non-phone job lead. But real quickly, before we get into it, if you are new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, finding the best work from home jobs available, and bringing them to you on a daily basis so we can all live our healthiest, happiest life working from home. So make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on, and please, if you find any of these job leads helpful, please like, thumbs up this video, and share with all your friends and family. But today's job lead is from the company Intrian Managed Solutions. They are hiring a proofreader. This is United States only, and they are paying from $16.50 an hour all the way up to $18.50 an hour. Of course, pay is always dependent on location and experience. But they are looking for someone to accurately proofread and format various clients' law documents, including proposals, patents, and court-related documents within the time frame allotted by the client. So you'll be responsible for consulting client-specific style guides that you are given to ensure the accuracy of grammar, composition, spacing, and consistency of the client voice. You'll be responsible for reviewing others' work to ensure quality, process standards, and expectations of projects have been met. You will occasionally be responsible for telephone and email contact with clients if you have to reach out to them and ask them questions about a project that you are working on. You'll be responsible for updating leadership on your project status, and you'll be responsible for checking work schedule to ensure the hours are scheduled correctly. Now, they do require someone who has a bachelor's degree in English. However, if you have equivalent work experience, that will do. So you do not have to have a degree if you have enough work experience. They are looking for someone who has 2 years experience in either proofreading, English, or grammar related fields. Experience with Word document editing and formatting is preferred because they need someone to demonstrate solid skills in Microsoft Office Suite. That's Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all of those things. You'll have to be able to maintain confidential information and work in a fast-paced, dynamic, and creative organization. And this position also requires skills that are detail-oriented, well-organized, someone who is self-motivated, and a problem solver. Now, they are looking for someone to work 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Central Standard Time shift. So this is daytime hours, and you need to convert your time zone to the Central Standard Time Zone if you don't live in that time zone to make sure the hours work for you. They do also offer a standard benefit package that includes health, vision, dental, 401k, and paid time off. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.